Up Junta, building better Africa.
Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I come up with this video. Look on my background. This is Poppy Francis, the leader of the Catholic Church of the whole world. This guy, he dies on 21st April 2025, and I've been hearing a lot of things, people talking about him, and especially on this thing called Satanic. People, they have been accusing him on this thing for Illuminati, but now I was one of those people that always, when I hear someone pointing finger on those people who got a lot of money, saying that this one is one of the member of Illuminati, I was like, no, you don't have evidence. What's your evidence saying that? Why? Not everybody who got money is involved on that shit. But look now on my background. Look. What is this, guys? What is this? I can see now that they ended up showing us what we have been thinking about, or what most of the people, especially here in Africa, most of the people, they have been talking about it, that this guy is a member of Satanic in the Vatican. This group of people called Vatican, they are not normal. But look at this. Look at this now. What is this? Can someone explain why these people, they cover their faces and also they put a black mask on their faces? Why doing that? Is this also a part of Catholic churches? What is that? Does Catholic Church do this always, or why they do that? Why? Okay, so now I think I will never defend anybody on this kind of things anymore. I will never do that again. Because I was defending him. I was like, no. Everybody can have money and be a normal person, like you, like me, like your father, like your mother, like your uncle, like everybody. Not knowing that behind there is something very, very bad. Look, the guy, look. Oh my God. Okay, but none of my business. What I can say now is, whoever mention the name of the God in a public and showing a face of a Christianity while he's doing something bad behind, please, you better stop it. It's not good. If not good, don't do that again. If you are one of the guys who are doing things like this, look, this is exactly what people have been talking, that the guy is a part of the Illuminati. Yeah, it can be. Okay, for today, let me go and check other videos. I will come again. Be there and subscribe for more videos while we're going to check for other videos. Enjoy the next video coming from Club Shinta.
building